Hello students, our new topic is create table of contents. This is the session 4th from the digital documentation chapter of 10th standard. Now it is possible to easily create table of contents for a document. The writer application will read all the headings from your document and then create the table of the content based upon the headings of your document. In fact, if you later change the heading, then the table of the contents will be updated. Basically, with this we can build automatic table of content. Then this table of content will works or depends upon the headings. Headings of the text that we have given in the document. It automatically picks up the headings of our document. Now, writer table of content, TOC means table of content. Features lets you build an automated table of content from the headings in a document. Means it built a table of content from the heading of your source of the documents. Whenever we want some changes or we are making some changes to the text of the heading, then or on the page on which heading appears, then these changes automatically appear in the table of contents. But always remember, for this we have to update the table of the content. Now before you start, make sure that the headings are styled consistently. For example, you can also use the heading 1 style for the chapter title and then heading 2 and 3 for the subtitles. See how can we for this. Let's see. I am creating one document for you. Now in page number 2nd I am writing chapter 1, then subheadings and then introduction. Then we have to select these headings, click on the format, then select style and formatting. For main heading I am giving heading 1 style, then these subheadings I am giving heading 2 style, and for this I am giving heading 3. Similarly I am creating another on page number 3rd. I am giving this. For this I am selecting heading 2nd, and for this introduction I am selecting heading 3rd. Now save this. Now I have to create the table of content for this. Then go to the page where we want to create the table of the content. Then for this select insert, then select index and table. Then see there are 3 options are available. Then select index and table. With this index and table, a dialog box will appear. See here are the preview of the table of the contents. Then first we have to give the title. I am giving title table of contents. You can give any. Then see type. We can give any type of object, bibliography and all others, but we are using table of contents. See, this option is protected against manual changes. Always remember, when we check this protected against manual changes, when we select this, then after creation table of the content we cannot perform any editing. But when we uncheck this, then after creating table of the content we can perform any manual changes in the table of the content. Is it clear? Means this is for the security purpose. Now we can also select the create the index and table. You can also create the index and table for the entire document, or you can also create the index and table for the only one chapter only. Now I am selecting outline and index marks, to give the outline and index marks to the table of the content. Then press OK. See, our table of the content will appear with page number. Our chapter 1 is on page number 2 and chapter 2 is on page number 3. This is the table of the content. Now next is we can also apply some of the character. style to our table of the content. Means if you want to apply the page number to be bold, then how can we do this? Be sure you have previously defined as suitable character style. Then in the table of the content box, just select the element where you want to apply a style. Then from the character style drop down list, select the desired style. Let's see. Go to insert, table and index, then this. See, in style tab there are 5 types of tabs are available. In style tab 5 tabs of available. Index and table, in which you can set the title of the table, that we have done. Then in entries tab, means this level, we can give the level for your for our document. Then in entries tab, this E represent the chapter number, E hash represent chapter number, this E represent the entry, and this T represent the tab stop, and this hash represent the page number, and this is used for the hyperlink. For example, I am selecting this, then LS means starting of the hyperlink, then I am selecting here, then select hyperlink, then this LE means represent the end of the hyperlink. Means we can also insert the hyperlink on our table of the content. If I am selecting, if I want my chapter 1 is used as a hyperlink. When we press on chapter 1, then this chapter 1 page will automatically appear. We can use this with the help of this hyperlink option. Now see, there is a character style. You can select any of the style element where you want to apply the character style. Then select your own character styles. You can also edit the character style, means you can set the background position of the character, you can give the position, you can give the font effects, you can give the font size and its types, and you can also organize or link your character with others. There are 5. Then in styles, we can give the, in style tab is used to apply the paragraph styles to the table of the content. You can apply a different paragraph style to each outline level. To apply a custom paragraph style, in the level list box we can select the outline level, but in the paragraph style we can select the desired paragraph style which we want to place, and we can also edit this. Here different types of options are available for editing. Now we can also set the columns to put the table of the content into, it is used to put the table of the content into more than one column. We can also give the background color to the background color to the table of the content. These all are the formatting features of the table of the content. Next is maintaining an index. Means we can, to modify the appearance of an index, we have to just right click in the index and choose edit index. If we want to modify an index, then how can we do this? Just right click and then select update index and table, edit index and table. You can also edit your index and table. I am setting this background color, this. You can also delete index, and if you want to delete index and table, you can also select this. And if I am performing, next is updating a table of content. Always remember, writer does not update table of content automatically. So when we perform any changes to the heading, then we need to update it manually. For this, just right click on the table of content and then select update index. See, if I am changing, the, here I am writing name digital. Okay, now we want these changes into the table of the content. Then just right click on the table of content and select update. With this, your table of the content will be updated. This is the chapter table of the content.